In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Viabill account password. We're all human, and forgetting passwords is a part of life. So don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of resetting it smoothly and effortlessly. First things first, you want to navigate to the Viabill login page. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser and use a search engine, such as Google, to search for Viabill login. You should see My Viabill as one of the options in the search results. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on that link. It will take you directly to the login page, which is the first step to regaining access to your account. Now that you're on the Viabill login page, take a look around and find the Forgot Password option. It should be right there as a clickable link. It's usually located near where you'd normally enter your login credentials. Don't worry if it takes a second to spot. This little link is usually the key to starting the password recovery process. Once you've found it, click on it. Clicking on Forgot Password will direct you to a new page where you have to enter the email address associated with your Viabill account. This is an important step, so make sure you enter the correct email address. If you use more than one email and aren't sure which one you signed up with, check your emails for any past messages or confirmations from Viabill that can help steer you to the right address. Once you've entered your email address, it's time to move on to the next action, which is to click on the Reset Password button. This step sends a password reset link to your email inbox. After you click it, a confirmation message may pop up just to let you know that an email has been sent. So go ahead and check your email inbox for a message from Viabill. Remember to check your spam or junk folder just in case it lands there. In the email, find the reset link and click on it. This will redirect you to a secure page where you can enter your new password. Follow any on-screen instructions about password requirements, like using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, or special characters, to ensure your new password is strong and secure. After successfully creating a new password, you should be all set. Use your new password to log into your Viabill account through the login page. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Viabill account password. I hope you found this guide straightforward and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep your password safe and secure. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or check out my other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.